some delicious hot chocolate milk.
Thanks, Mommy. I'm obsessed with hot chocolate milk. Enjoy.
Good day, hope you're doing well.
I'm feeling really great, and I'm happy to be with you. I feel young again.
Wow, that smells so good.
Thanks, Mom. It's so good.
Enjoy, my little glutton.
Hurry up. We're excited.
We'll have it ready soon, my dears.
How beautiful! Well done, thank you for your efforts, my dears.
We're glad you liked it.
It smells amazing.
It's the Sud-Ouest good.
It's very hot.
Don't worry. Dad's safe. It's so tasty, Dad.
You're my pretty girl.
Whoa! How beautiful these fireflies are. This is so funny.
A hen and a rooster lived on a farm, and they had beautiful chicks.
The sun rises so beautifully.
Yes, it's such a beautiful moment.
Good morning. Good morning. Oh my God. Ooh. Oh my goodness. The sea is so beautiful. go for a swim too.
I agree. That's great.